Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two innocent Kashmiri youth today in an extrajudicial manner in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The troops martyred the youth in a fake encounter during a so-called cordon and search operation in Yedipura, Patan area of Baramulla district. Local people said that the youth were arrested by the troops a few days ago and were martyred in a staged encounter today. The troops also destroyed a residential house in the area. The Modi regime is plotting to deprive the Kashmiris of their places of great cultural, historical and religious significance, and grabbing of land of historic Eidgah in Srinagar is its latest move to deprive the Kashmiris of their spiritual and religious identity, said a report released by the Kashmir Media Service today. The report maintained that the Indian mechanisms would not deter the Kashmiris from pursuing the cause of freedom and urged the conscious people to join hands with the Kashmiris to defeat India's wicked designs in the occupied territory. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Society of Editors UK has nominated a Kashmiri-based journalist, Saman Latif, for the prestigious Freelancer of the Year award. The Society of Editors, a body of around 400 UK national and regional media editors, representatives and organizations, has invited the journalist to the award ceremony in London on November 12. General Anil Chauhan took charge as India's new Chief of Defence Staff today. General Chauhan, a former Eastern Army commander, took charge as the country's senior-most military commander over 9 years after first Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat died in a helicopter crash in Tamil Nadu on December 8, 2021. In Gamla, Jharkhand, a teacher brutally assaulted class 6 students with wooden canes after he locked them inside the classroom of the school. According to Kashmir Media Service, all the 13 injured students were admitted to a hospital for treatment. Reports said that the teacher Vikas Cyril of St. Michael's in Gamla was angered when class 6 students refused to dance upon his orders. The students also informed the principal of the school, but to no avail. A student of Jamia Millia Islamia University, Noman Ali, was shot at by another student at the Holy Family Hospital in New Delhi. Police said that the incident was the result of a fight at the university campus earlier. Noman Ali, who was shot and injured, had come to the hospital to see a friend, Noman Chaudhry, who was being treated for a head injury he suffered in a fight between two groups of the students at the Jamia earlier in the evening.